Hello, this is Jazz Neo. I'm going to show you how to import a 3D model avatar into Neos. So here we go. A lot of avatars from VRChat will work in Neos as a natural. So I go to my dashboard down here. Then I go on to my inventory. We're going to need the essential tool, Deb 2 tip. So I bring that out like that. Then I go to Tools, File Browser on the dashboard. Then I go to the computer here. It'll show your hard drives on your computer. Click on the hard drive that has your VRChat avatar or avatar you have made. It takes the generic naming scheme for any avatar to work in Nails. So I go to my folders to find an avatar to import. So I'm gonna import find some avatar to import. Uh, so it's gonna find something. I'm going to import Doc Brown in, and then I click on the Doc Brown FVX file. Then this menu will pop up like this. So I'm going to go here to 3D model, regular, auto human height, then advanced settings. I go to advanced settings because it's easier to adjust stuff on here. So up here it'll say scale, auto scale, max texture, image format. You don't really need to mess with that stuff. But materials will have the shaders for your avatars. PBS will be for like realistic avatars. PBS suicide, the same, that one too, and that. Unlit will keep your avatar lit in any dark world. Unlit suicide is the same thing, and I don't know what Unity Billboard does. Flat tune, it'll keep your avatar as cartoony look or anime look. Usually that would be the same in VR chat that uses cube shader. So like it shows up like that. Then we come down here. We just want to use the spawn material orbs because we could fix the texture later. Then we hit run import. And it brings up an avatar up in Neos like this. Now we open the menu on the Deb 2 tip and hit create new object, avatar creator. We want to put this like this on the head and put these on the arms like this. Then we're going to line head forward, then line head up, line head right, center pan position, align two anchors. You might have to adjust the hands a little. So like this hand's a little bit off of this one. You can adjust it like this a little. And match it up to the controller on here. Same here. Maybe adjust it a little there. Like that. Okay. Then we're gonna set anchor tool. Then we're gonna move the orb thing. This is what you grab on in your hand. So you usually put that in the middle of your hand. This is the pointer for your tools or any devices you use in Neos. This is the spin menu when you open up when you control the tooltips or menus on your hands. This is the toolbar when you can attach tooltips on it. But some people make their own toolbar to hold more items than that. So after you got that adjusted, usually you have to go disable, use symmetry. Yeah, use symmetry, disable that, and adjust it on the hands how you want them on each hand. Sometimes there's a little bit work with this. And you can fix these later in Business Lawyers of Avatar Template World. He has a little tool that lets you adjust them hand things on your arms if you don't like how it's set up right now. Then calibrate feet and calibrate pelvis hips. This is for full body tracking for the legs of the move. So you put this near your hips like this. Then you put this on your right leg. Put your left one. Like that. Then you just have it all set up what you see here and hit create. Then there you go. You made an avatar right here. So we're gonna now we want full like eye tracking on this avatar. There'll be a tool in the inventory, Neo's Essentials. Right here, Neo's Essentials will show up. Then we go to avatars, avatar tools, then eye setup platform. Then it'll bring this out, move this over here. Then we need to get on that other avatar that needs the eye tracking. So it'll show up like this. So you got it adjusted on your hands. Okay. You go over here. And you put your face next to this like this and hit apply eye tracking. And it takes you out of your avatar. Then you have to go back into the avatar. Then avoid the button because if you click, it'll destroy the eyes. So I move this over here like this. And I look how the eyes are set up. So like that. You adjust the eyes how you want it onto this thing. Like this will make it max swing, use height, weight, grip. You just gotta mess around with this till you're liking on your avatar eyes. Like that. That looks good to me. So we got that all set up. Now you go back out of your avatar like this. Now we're gonna add the eyelid from the Vizimies. So we click on the head of the avatar, open the spectre panel, then we'll just grip on this right here on the iSav controller. We'll need the eye manager for the blinking part. Then we go over here, hit the root till you get the top of the root here. Then you go to center root nodes, bodies. Then we go all the way to the bottom of this menu. Then you hit attach components, users, common avatar systems, faces, eyeline drivers. So okay, we got that there. Now it'll pop up like this. We need the eye manager to control the blinking of the avatar. So you go over here, hit the grip buttons on your controller, hit that, it'll show up like that, and you drop it in here like that. Then you hit eyeless, then this will pop up. We'll need to make two of these, one for the left and one for the right. I got that set up. Now we go to the root here, the center root and body. And then you go over here to the blend shape weights. Then you hold the grip on the word. Then you put it on the left eye right here. And it'll be there. Then you do the same for the right eye. Grip the right eye. And then you should see your avatar blinking. Like that. Now you have an avatar fully rigged and ready for Neos. It'll have Visa Me's all set up already, and that. There you go.